What's up guys, V here, and in today's video I'm gonna go ahead and build another PC. Deepcool reached out again. I've worked with them in the past, so they sent me their AK620 Digital white. So this white version just came out not too long ago, so they wanted me to check it out, and of course I said yeah. And then they sent me a power supply, the PX1000G, also in white. And then for the main event, they sent me this bad boy. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and get these things unboxed and let's get to building. So I'm gonna go ahead and do something a little different. Usually I unbox things as I go along, but I wanna get this thing out of the box now so we can take a quick peek at it. See, I need a taller table so I don't have to sit. This is a little bit of a problem. I promise I'm working on trying to update some stuff in this room. But, my bank account doesn't agree with me. Let's take a look at this PC, shall we? Or this PC. We haven't put the PC in the thing yet, right? Alright, how do you... I can't see. Oh, so the glass just comes off just like that. There's no screw back here? Oh, alright. So that's the little window for the little screen right here. It tells you some information. It looks like it has CPU usage and the temp and percentage, or you can switch between them, I assume. It does come with 4 rear fans, and I tried to get the same fans. Again, we're doing a themed build, so I wanted to make sure that all the fans match, and I think I did a pretty good job on that. I really like the size of this case. I do like this mesh design in the front. It's quite clean, very nice. I said that about some of their other products in the past, and yeah, still feel the same. Does this front panel come off? I don't want to break anything. Oh!
No! God, please, no! No!
Ta-da! That's that. Are these are 140 mil. These fans up here are 140 mil. Or at least that's what it looks like, right? Yeah. The I/O is on the top, right over here. You got USB-C microphone / audio, LEDs, so I'm gonna assume they probably do have some sort of a controller back here. So let's take the back cover off. Of course, this top one is removable, this mesh, so you can clean it easily. Let's take this back cover off and take a quick peek. Who needs cable tie downs? We just stuff everything under here and call it a day. So there's a controller right up here, and all the current fans are plugged into that. So if I add the other 2 fans, I'm wondering if I could just piggyback them and plug them in there. I mean, it is SATA powered, so I would assume, and that way everything can be controlled with that button up top if you wanted to, or you can just motherboard sync it, which in classic builds with V fashion, we will probably sync it. And then for the front screen right here, you got a USB 2.0 cable. So case is looking fantastic. There is a hard drive slot right down here. And yeah, pretty lightweight, feels very good quality like any other Deepcool products. So I'm excited building it. Let's get started. Well guys, there it is, the beautiful Deepcool build. Mostly all white, not completely, I couldn't find a motherboard, but it sort of matches. It matches this little screen here and a few other little things here and there. So overall, it looks really, really good, and I'm very satisfied with this build. There isn't really much to talk about. You guys, for the most part, already know the specs. I will have some user benchmarks on the screen now, just so you guys can see sort of what the benchmarks are on this PC. And yeah, if you're interested in any of these parts, I will have links to them down in the description. And yeah, I think let's go ahead and put this glass on. Let's see what it looks like. Let's do some peels. Beautiful. I really like the little screen right here and the screen up here showing you real-time temperature, although it's kind of repetitive. But in the settings, you can change either that one or this one to be showing a usage percentage instead of a temperature. So that's what I would be doing if this were going to be my main PC. Now, if you're ever wondering why I always use Gigabyte parts, well, I tend to use their motherboards more than anything. I just really like their software. I really like their hardware. I've never really had issues with them. To be honest, they're really good products, so I always stick with them. My main PC back there has a Aorus motherboard. This has an Aorus motherboard. The other PC I just did has an Aorus motherboard, so I've never really had issues with them. I don't know. That's kind of why I'm not sponsored by them or anything, but if they want to hit me up, you know, you know where to find me. Shameless plugs, you know. Anyways, hopefully you guys really enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. I always have so much fun building these PCs, and I know it, for me personally, is very hard to show that to you over video. I'm not the most emotional type of person. I'm not the most charismatic, I guess, so it's really hard for me to show that on film, but deep inside I'm having the time of my life building these. And I think that's kind of why, because I'm more chill and toned down, and I love just sitting here for a few hours and building something so magnificent. So very thankful to Deepcool for sending these products out to me to check out. If you guys want to see more content like this, feel free to subscribe. And if you want to see a specific themed build, please let me know down in the comments. And maybe I can work out a deal with another company out there. So looking forward to it. And with that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.